Alright, YouTube land. So, latest car that becomes my acquisition. I got this car for about $400 plus a $75 tow because the tow truck is right there. But yeah, 2007 Mitsubishi Endeavor. This car is a vandalized special, as you can probably tell already. So, what I've done to this car since I've got it is put a battery in and grab some one junkyard tire. Not this one, this is the one that came with it. But the car is in pretty good shape considering. It is very, very dirty. Here are the original tires. They're flat, they got stabbed. Seats are folded down, don't mind the pull up right there. And over there is the new glass, which I picked up from the junkyard as well. Just about 200 miles on the clock. 200k miles. That's a little better. Here's the junkyard one. I got lucky. Look how much meat is on this tire. This car has been pretty roughly treated by an angry ex. Didn't take it well. I talked to the original owner. I actually knew him, that's why I bid on this car. But it's pretty nice. I'll have to clean that up. Here's the co-part number right there. But yeah, hey, this is the mileage. Of course, it'll turn off right when I say that. And just about 200 on the clock. So I've already vacuumed up the glass from the driver's seat here because it was really, really bad. Why is the light on? There it is. I was started going through his car and just started diagnosing it. So what killed this car is the stupidest thing in the world, but should have been killed by something else equally as annoying. Mitsubishi's anything engine in here. I'm gonna have to pull the fuel rails and drain the gas because the van will decide to dump Pepsi, Gatorade, and some other weird stuff apparently in here, all in a 1 liter bottle. I put a brand new battery in. It was under warranty. Had the guy's name and number, so AutoZone for the win. I am still diagnosing a few things. I was missing those covers as well. Grabbed those from the junkyard. Missing a few fuses. But what really killed this car is this broken wire right here, which I find hilarious. Of all things to kill a car, that thing right there. Yeah, that's the sad fate of this car. I can't really do much because the car is not running currently, but I will show you the really, really janky key this thing has with it. So this part here does not work. This part here does. I'm not sure what the main difference is. I'm probably bring it back down to the key shop, have them recut it. Because it is pretty funny how it's the exact key, but it doesn't work right. But yeah, this car is just picked it up on Thursday. It is now Sunday. Had to do it yesterday, so I couldn't work on it. What I'm going to do to this car is clean it up, take off all the stickers and lettering. If I can get the title, go right back on the road. Let me check the coolant level. I don't think I've checked this yet. There we go. Ooh, it's bone dry. They stabbed the radiator? Stand by, but squeeze this open. Well, I'm glad I didn't drive it. It's got no cool in it. But goddamn. Alright, something else to work on. This car ain't that bad. I'm not a fan of foreign cars. It's actually the second Mitsubishi on my channel. And the second Mitsubishi that I got from a vandalized situation from an ex for free. It's also the second '07 Mitsubishi. It's even the same goddamn color. I just fucking realized this. Oh yeah, the world's shittiest vacuum right here. I'm not sure if it's defective or what, but it's a piece of shit. It's a real piece of shit. But, you know, all in all, this car ain't that bad. The fuel pump apparently is underneath the seat right here, so I'm going to have to pull that up. Hey, just look how nice these seats are. They're dirty, but they're still nice. Oh yeah, I also grabbed the junkyard owner's manual. It's a few years off, I think. Yeah, 2 years off, but same car. Yada yada yada. It isn't gonna be a long video. I'm gonna post this one just as a quick intro to this car. We'll do a little better on it later on, because I can't find any documentary videos on this car's had to do a fuel pump and shit. I am going to what the hell? I am going to make a video of doing the fuel pump if I decide to, and a few other weird things, because no one else has one of these on YouTube apparently. This door is weird. I think I gotta pull it out a little bit. That's better. It's really weird how I can pull this thing and make it better. But yeah, 2007 Mitsubishi Endeavor. Honk at Rob if you see him. Have a good one. She's not happy, but she's running. God damn. Hell yeah, she's driving. Oh, 1 second, make this turn. She has the wrong fuel pump in her. But hell, she's running on her own power. I'm quite happy. I can't record much because I am driving on base. But holy shit. This is funny. Hey, look at this thing. Janky 101. And she drives. She's every light on because she's not hooked up right. I'm getting high off gasoline fumes. Holy shit. Window down. And there we go. She's running on her own power the most janky way possible. And she's starting to clean up nicely.